Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional-looking photography logo. If you're interested in photography and you're starting social media pages or a YouTube channel and want to design a photography logo, then this video is for you. With Canva, you don't need any previous design experience or creativity. You simply modify the ready-made templates, add your text and images, and your logo will be ready. So, create an account on canva.com, and after signing up, go to the search bar and type Photography Logo to find photography logo templates. You'll see templates you can easily customize with your own details to design your logo. Click See All, and you'll see a lot of options. Just pick whichever you like, click on it, customize it, and you're ready to export. For example, I like this one. This is a pro template, but you can also find free versions and templates. Just go to Customize, and you can modify anything you like. If you want to change the text, double-click on it and add your own text. If you want to change the color of elements or icons, just click on them, and here is the option to change them like this. And in the same way, if you want to change the text font, go to the Font menu and choose whichever font you like. This option is for resizing. This one is for text color, if you want to change that. There are also options for making text bold, italic, underline, strike-through, uppercase, alignment, creating bullet point lists, letter spacing, and line spacing if you want. This one is for transparency, and this one is for effects if you want to add any. If you want your text to be curved, or if you want to animate, you can animate it as well. If you want to position the text, you can do that in one click. You can position it to the left, center, and so on. In the same way, with the same process, you can change or experiment with your text. If you don't like the icon and want to replace it with your own, go to Uploads, and you can upload your own icon from here. If you want to add elements from Canva's library, go to the Elements and search for Camera. Then go to the Graphics section. There, you'll find options. Just pick whichever you like, and I'll just remove it. Like this, you can add any element or icon to your logo. I'll just change the color and see if you want. It can be like this. You can resize as you like. You can add or modify whatever you want. Add your own branding colors, elements, images, and you can also change the background color. Click on Background to change the background color as you like. You can modify whatever you like. Once you're done with your design or the logo is complete, to export it, rename your file, go to the Share menu and then go to Download. Download it in PNG, or if you want another format, you can download it. Just download and your photography logo is ready. This process is simple and easy and allows you to just modify pre-made templates in Canva without wasting time. Your photography logo is ready.